Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I will show you exactly how to insert a phone symbol in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. The fastest approach is using a simple keyboard shortcut. First, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the phone icon to appear. Now type the numbers 2706 on your keyboard. Immediately after typing those four numbers, press and hold the Alt key, and then press the letter X. The numbers will instantly transform into a clean phone symbol. If you prefer a solid black telephone icon instead, type 260E, then press Alt and X. Alternatively, you can use the built-in symbol library. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. On the far right, click on Symbol, then select More Symbols. In the window that pops up, change the font drop-down menu to Wingdings, scroll down slightly, and you will see several phone icons to choose from. Click on the one you like, and hit Insert. That is all there is to it. If this quick tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional guides. See you in the next one.